See, in the last class, we are discussing about the speed, velocity, uniform motion, and non-uniform motion, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And velocity, we define it as rate of change of displacement, or we can say it is the ratio of change in displacement to the change in time, to the change in time. Okay, so change in displacement I can write as final position minus initial position by time taken to reach the final point minus initial point. Generally, at initial point, we'll consider it as reference point or fixed point. So we'll have that it is final position minus initial position by t, by time taken t. Okay, okay, fine. So like this we'll have, like this, and we have, okay, okay, fine. Then after this velocity, in order to find this one, okay, that is dr by dt, dr by dt, okay, we are having a mathematical tool called differentiation. We are having a mathematical tool called differentiation. That is, differentiation is defined as, okay, calculating, calculating change in y with respect to change in x, change in y with respect to change in x. Okay, okay, na? That is what the differentiation we discussed. That is, we are finding the change in y with respect to change in x. Okay, na? That is calculating change in y, change in y with respect to change in x. Okay, that's why you can say that d by dx can be called as differentiating or differentiation with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x, since here we are writing as dy by dx. So differentiation of y, differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, correct, banana. Now, suppose let us consider if displacement is, we are having the equation, if it is varying like t cube minus 5t square plus 10, we need to find velocity. It is not simply r by t now, it is dr by dt now. So, in order to find dr by dt, we are having the differentiation tool. We are having the differentiation tool. Or suppose if displacement is in the form of algebraic, suppose if I'm having in the form of trigonometric functions like this, sin t minus cos t. I think you know trigonometric functions, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if the displacement is in the form of trigonometric functions, either sin t minus cos t or tan t, like this, then here we are having the some formulas are there which we'll use in mathematics, which we'll use in mathematics. Okay, I'll keep it as differentiation, differentiation. Okay, in entire mathematics we are having the 5 different types of functions. Okay, 5 different types of functions. We'll call it as an Lie, we'll call as an Lie. Okay. L stands for logarithmic function. L stands for logarithmic function. That is log x to the base 10 or log x to the base e. Anytime you got logarithmic function in mathematics,
Yes, sir.
logarithmic function, that is like this, where x belongs to set of natural numbers. X belongs to set of natural numbers. And I means inverse functions. I means inverse functions. Okay. Say for example, let us consider like 1 by x, 1 by x plus 3, 1 by x square plus 5, or 1 by x square plus 2x plus 6, etc. Like these functions we can call as an inverse functions. Okay. Next, A means algebraic functions. A means algebraic functions like x square plus 2x plus 3 or x cube plus 5x square plus 10, okay, etc. Like this. Okay. Next one, it is T means trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions like, you know, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay. And then reciprocal of above functions, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
These can be called as trigonometric functions. Okay. Next, finally, E means exponential function. Exponential. Otherwise, I'll write here. E means exponential function. That is e power x, e power minus x, etc. Where x belongs to set of rational numbers. Either it may be positive integer or it may be negative integer. It may be positive integer or it may be negative integer. Right on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Suppose now if my displacement is any of these function, any of these function, suppose let us consider x cube plus 5x square plus 10. How I will do? D by dt of this one. Okay. So for that, we are having this tool. Okay. So people gave some formulas. People gave some formulas. Uh, you want to go into medicine, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then do one thing. Remember the formulas. I will write here. Okay. How it came in mathematics, that is in plus two mathematics, they will get. Okay. You simply remember the formulas. Simply remember the formulas. Okay. Okay. Or else here keep the side heading as formulas to be remember. formulas to be remember. First
Okay.
one, first one. If y is equal to x power n, if y is equal to x power n, then I need to find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. That is, dy by dx means that already I know the y means x power n. So instead of y, I am writing d by dx of x power n. Is it fine? Is it fine? That is
Yes, sir.
n times x power n minus 1. This is the formula. D by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. I'll keep it in box. This formula need to remember. Okay. Suppose let us consider example. Let us consider example. Here n belongs to set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. Either it may have positive integer or it may have negative integer or it may be in the form of p by q form. It may be in the form of p by q. Suppose let us consider y is equal to x power 4. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay. That is dy by dx means that d by dx of x power 4. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See, in our formula, instead of n, we are having 4, right? Use the formula. That is, we'll get it as 4 times x power 4 minus 1. That is nothing but 4x cube. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, second example. This is first example. Okay. Second example, suppose y is equal to x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2. Then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. That is, I can say that dy by dx equal to d by dx of x power 3 by 2. Instead of n, we are having 3 by 2, right? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So that means 3 by 2 times x power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 means take LCM. I can write 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2, right? See
Yes,
here,
sir.
these two cancel na.
Yes, sir.
Hey, these two cancel na. Hmm? 3 by 2 here 2 and these two will get cancelled.
But that is in place of power, no, sir.
Ammaya, very good, super. Okay. Mm, Here it is the x power 1 by 2, it is the function. Okay. This 2 it is function by 2. This is,
Yes.
this 2 it is function whole power 1 by 2. So we should not cancel. Sometimes what we'll do, x power half, I can write as root x. X power 1 by 2 means,
Mm.
okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Now let us consider another example. Suppose if y is equal to, if y is equal to x power minus half, then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay. That means that dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x power minus half. So I can write it as, instead of n, we are having minus half. So minus half n into x power n minus 1. That is minus half minus 1. Right? So minus half. Take LCM. Minus half minus 1 means I can write minus 3 by 2. Can I write? So minus 1 by 2, x power minus 3 by 2, I'll write as 1 by x power 3 by 2. That is nothing but minus 1 by 2 times 1 by x power 3 by 2. I can write as x into x power 1 by 2. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So it is minus 1 by 2x. This x power 1 by 2 I can write as root x. See, x power 3 by 2 I can write as x root x.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. First of all, we'll calculate like this.
Okay, sir.
Now, second one. See, first one it is y equal to x power n. Y equal to x power n. These are the examples. I'll share this document also. I'm
Okay,
having. At the end of the class, I'll show you. Okay.
okay,
You
sir.
don't worry about soft copies. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Your father knows. Even whatever the in the LN or Akash quota, okay, whatever the top batches, they will give the notes and they will give the exercise. I'll give that one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everything is there. And I'll show the PPT also for
Okay,
kinematics for easy understanding. Once chapter is completed, then I'll show PowerPoint.
okay, sir.
Before starting the chapter, I'll not show.
Okay, sir.
Next, suppose if y is equal to, okay, some constant, okay,
Yes, sir.
some constant. I am considering the constant as k, where k is not equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
K is not equal to 0. If it is 0, what will happen? I'll tell. You can consider any constant, okay, either it is a positive number or negative value, anything. Then we need to find dy by dx. Then we need to find dy by dx. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of k. Okay, na? Okay,
Yes.
fine. Now I want to write this k in terms of x. That is, I can write as d by dx of k means I can write k into 1. K multiplied by 1. 1 I will write it as anything power 0 is 1 now. So k times x power 0. Okay, na? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Previous page did you wrote? This page did you wrote?
Yes, sir.
This page?
I
Okay.
wrote, sir.
You wrote, huh? No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means we are having that dy by dx equal to d by dx of k times x power 0. With respect to x, k it is a constant now. With respect to x, x power 0, it is a variable. So In the given function, first you need to identify which is the constant and which is variable. There lies your success. First, in the given function, you need to find which is constant and which is variable. Here k it is a constant, so I will bring outside k times d by dx of x power 0. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now it is in the form of, you can see, this is in the form of d by dx of x power n. So instead of n, I am having 0. Instead of n, we are having 0. So formula, write down. Since d by dx of x power n, formula n
Okay.
times x power n minus 1. See this differentiation formulas, okay? Suppose if you are taken MPC, if mathematics people, in the mathematics subject, if this formula came for 50 times, in physics, at least not less than 70 to 90 times it will come.
In every chapter, sir.
In every chapter it will be there. Without the, and one more thing it is, from not less than, this is my 16th year, I am saying for IIT and NEET. Okay. For advanced it means
Yes.
this year it is 9th year. Okay. But for NEET people, out of my 15 years experience, what I observed it is those who don't know this differentiation and integration, they are lagging or they are behind to score more marks in physics. In order to score more marks in NEET physics, you must be perfect with differentiation and integration. You must
Okay,
be,
sir.
during the bridge course will have, and again in the normal course also will have. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So instead of n, we are having 0. So I can write it as 0 into x power 0 minus 1. So that is k into 0 means 0. I can write. So 0 times x power minus 1. That is nothing but 0 now. So
Yes,
we
sir.
can say that d by dx of constant is equal to 0. Suppose this constant equal to 0, directly we can get 0 now. Instead of k 0. See,
Mm.
if we consider k equal to 0 or k equal to non-zero, anything will be 0 only. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
That one. Okay. This page completed. So this
No,
is the
sir.
1 minute. This page write down. This is the formula. D by dx of constant is 0.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
After this one, next third one. Okay, third it is a result. It is a result. Result it is, first one it is d by dx of, suppose if y is equal to x, then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. That is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of y. That is nothing but d by dx of x. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wrote. So x means I can write it as x power 1. X means
Yeah.
I
Yes,
can,
sir.
okay, x power 1 means that is dy by dx equal to, apply the formula. So n into x power n minus 1. So it will be 1 times x power 1 minus 1. That is nothing but 1 into x power 0. Anything power 0 equal to 1. So d by dx of
Yes.
x is equal to 1.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, 1 minute. See here, once see here, d by dx of x now. I can write as like this now. Can I write? Can I write?
Also.
Okay. Okay. That is nothing but 1 only now. General observation.
Yes, sir. Yes. Cancel. Yeah.
Cancel
Yes,
now.
sir.
This is for your understanding I wrote. Generally, d by
Okay, sir.
dx of x means 1 now. Okay. Write down.
Finish, sir.
Finished, huh? Okay, fine. Mm. Now d by dx of constant, d by dx of exponent completed. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, see here in our functions, firstly, we discussed algebraic functions, x power n. Okay. Thereafter, I'll combine. Before that, firstly, we will see the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. That is trigonometric functions. Okay. That is y is equal to sine x. That is d by dx of sine x is equal to cos x. Is equal to cos x. And this is number 3. Number 3. Y is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, fine. Y is equal to tan x. D by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. Okay, these first three, okay, or else 1 minute. These first three many times we'll use in physics. Okay, you must remember this one. Okay, very few times,
Okay, sir.
very few times. Okay, hardly in one chapter or 1 or 2 models we'll use this one. Okay, if you remember, it is well and good. If you didn't remember, okay, afterwards also you can do it. In our regular course, we can do it. D by dx of cosecant x means cosecant x cot x. Cosecant x cot x.
Okay, sir.
And y is equal to secant x. But first three, it is most important. Every time in every chapter, we'll use any one formula. Any one formula we'll use.
Okay.
First three are most important. D by dx of secant x. Or else d by dx of secant x means secant x tan x, and y is equal to cot x. D by dx of cot x as minus cosecant square x. These are the formulas of the trigonometry function.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Finish the
Yes.
Okay. Now, next one, it is fourth one, most important. Suppose if I am having the function, it is in the form of two functions like u of x plus v of x. Okay. Then I need to find dy by dx. That is nothing but d by dx of u of x plus v of x. Okay. Na? Generally, what we will do it is in mathematics, suppose if I'm having 5 into x plus y, how can I write? How can I write?
5x plus 5y.
Right now, 5x plus 5y. Similarly, what I am doing it is d by dx of u of x plus v of x means I am writing as d by dx of u of x plus d by dx of v of x. This I am writing it as du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, now is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we can write it as d by dx of u plus v is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. dv by dx. That is, this is the formula. Okay, remember. Okay, this part completed.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Finished. This page completed. Now this page. Now let us consider an example. Let us consider an example. Suppose if I'm having, if y is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus sin x. Okay. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay. Na? Okay,
Okay,
fine.
sir.
Now, how I'll find means dy by dx. That is nothing but instead of y, I am writing as x cube plus 5x square minus sin x. See, x cube is one function, 5x square is one function, and minus sin x is another function. So it is in the form of sum of the functions now. Same as like before, that is d by dx of u plus v. I can apply differentiation separately, right? I can apply the differentiation separately. So I can write it as d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 5x square minus d by dx of sin x, right? Can I write? See,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now, in the first term, d by dx of x cube, how we can do?
Uh, yes, sir.
It is in the form of d by dx of x power n. Formula for d by dx of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So instead of n, I'm having 3 here. See. So I can write as 3 times x power 3 minus 1. Okay. Na? Okay. Na?
Yes, sir.
In this term, see, in the second term, 5 it is a constant now. X square it is variable. X square it is variable.
Variable.
So we can write it as 5 times d by dx of x square. Five times d by dx of x square minus d by dx of sin x means cos x. See,
Yes, sir.
d by dx of sin x means cos x. So we can say that dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 5 times 2x minus cos x. That is nothing but 3x square plus 10x minus cos x. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Understand.
That is like this we'll find. Okay, now.
Yes.
Next, similarly, we'll consider another example. Example 2. If y is equal to x power 3 by 2 plus 2 sin, 2 cos x. Previously we considered sin x, now we'll consider 2 cos x. Okay. Here we are having the two functions only. Directly I can apply. Now. So
Yes, sir.
that is find dy by dx. Okay. Solution it is dy by dx equal to d by dx of x power 3 by 2 plus 2 cos x. That is nothing but apply differentiation separately. Apply differentiation separately. That is dy by dx equal to d by dx of x power 3 by 2 plus d by dx of 2 cos x. What is the value of d by dx of x power 3 by 2? X power. What is the value of d by dx of x power 3 by 2? X power 3 by 2.
D by dx into x under root 1 x under root x.
We know the formula now. What formula we know? D by dx of x power n. Right now, we know this formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is in the form of d by dx of x power n. Instead of n, we are having the
3 by
3 by 2.
2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1.
We'll write the formula. So 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay. And d by dx of 2 cos x. So 2 it is a constant now.
Yes, sir.
2 it is a constant. So what we can say that it is bring 2 outside, 2 times d by dx of cos x. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Times d by dx of cos x. So that is 3 by 2 times x power. 3 by 2 minus 1 means I can write 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. D by dx of cos x means minus sin x. See the formula. Second one. Okay.
D by minus cosine x.
Minus
Yes.
sin x. Okay. So here I'll write as minus 2 times sin x. Okay. That is the formula. Okay. Fine. First example completed. First
No,
example.
sir.
First write down this one. First, this one up to here over d by dx of u plus v.
Sir, first is completed. Second, I
So,
should have.
because all these, okay, all these are not there in any textbook. Okay, actually in the coaching materials, some of the materials only it was there. It was there.
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
otherwise, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll show you.
Completed, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Can you see this one?
Yes, sir, I can say it.
Firstly, we are having vectors. We'll get vectors. I think some part in physics you might get in ICSE syllabus. Vectors,
From 2 days, what were you actually from 2 days, what are you teaching? We have already in 9th and 10th class those all.
in ICSE it will be there. See here, they gave the first calculus, constant to variable. What is constant, what is variable, and function. These people, they gave the very detailed explanation. See, for volume and how the function will varies, and now this differentiation.
Okay, sir.
Okay? This document also I'll share you. I'll give you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this derivative of function.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
this meaning, and they gave examples. See, first rule number 1, derivative of a constant. Okay, and power rule, this one, x power n. Okay, they gave the example, and multiple, like this. Enter this document, it is on mathematical tools which are used in physics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that one, that document I'll give you. I'll share in our WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this page completed now.
Yes, sir, completed.
After this, you don't have any class now, or any exam is there?
Tomorrow I'm having exams.
Exam? Which subject?
Pre-finals, sir. Today physics finished. Tomorrow biology, and day after tomorrow chemistry. Till 30th March we are having exams.
30th April.
Yes, sir. 30th April. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Okay, now completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next, similarly, next example. Suppose if we are having if y is equal to 2x power 5 plus sin x minus 2 tan x minus 2 tan x, then find dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay, how to do? How to do this dy by dx? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How to do? Tell.
Use the formula, sir. D by dx into
Why it is coming?
d by dx
dy by
into
dx
x.
I need to find. So I can write it as apply
dx.
differentiation separately. d by
That's
dx
d
of
by
2
dx x and
d by dx of sin x
d by dx x
minus
and x.
d by dx of 2 tan x, right? Can I apply it directly now? So du
Yes,
by
sir.
dx plus dv by dx. Okay, okay, fine. First one, how to do? First term,
Use another formula, sir. Like it's nx
very good.
into
But here we are having 2x power 5 now. 2 times x power 5
2x.
now. Then
Then n into 2x.
no, no, no. 2 it is a constant now.
Yes, sir.
So we should bring 2 to outside right now. Then d by dx of x power 5. We should keep
Yes.
inside only variable. Here we don't have any constant now. So we are having only variable only. D by dx of sin x only. No problem. But here we are having again 2 tan x. 2 it is a constant now. So we should bring 2 to outside. So d by dx of tan x. Okay, na? Fine. So 2 times d by dx of x power 5. Now it is in the form of d by dx of x power n. So instead of n, we are having 5. So I can write as 5x power 4. Can I write?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
D by dx of sin x means cos x plus cos x. D by dx of tan x means secant square x. You can see third formula. So it is minus 2 secant square x. So finally, dy by dx is equal to 10 x power 4 plus cos x minus 2 secant square x. Okay, na? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Write down.
Finish, sir.
Finished, huh? Okay, fine. And tomorrow, at what time our class will be? Morning or evening?
Sir, morning it's okay, sir.
At what time your exam is there?
2 to 4, sir, tomorrow.
Afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll keep 8 to 9.
Okay, sir.
8 to 9 class only. So tomorrow, 8 to 9, same ID. I will not change ID.
Okay, sir.
Same ID, same password.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Okay, fine. And till your end of this month, that means till your pre-final exam, I'll not give any homework. Whatever you are learning in the class, that's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After your pre-final exams gets complete, na, then we'll see.
Okay, sir.
Then we'll go for practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till here, see, do one thing. Small thing you do. That is, remember this formula. I kept in box, na, that one. And in the second one, this one, in the second one, d by dx of constant. I kept in the box now. Only those formulas. Okay. And
Okay.
these three. That's all. Okay. Hardly here three and before two. These five formulas you remember.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Five formulas only. Every class I'll give five formulas so that you can remember. Slowly we will go. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma.